Welcome! If you're looking to personalize your Messenger group chats and make them stand out, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple, updated steps to change your group theme on Messenger. Whether you want to add some color, match your group's vibe, or just try something new, it only takes a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and have the latest version installed for the best experience. Once you're in, head over to the group chat you want to customize. You'll see all your recent conversations. Just tap on the group you want to update. Now, here's the trick. To access the theme options, long press on an empty space within the chat. Don't press on a message or a photo. Find a blank area in the chat window and hold your finger down for a moment. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Theme. Tap on it, and you'll see a variety of colorful themes and backgrounds you can choose from. Messenger offers everything from simple color changes to fun, animated backgrounds, so take a moment to scroll through and find one that fits your group's personality. Once you find a theme you like, simply tap on it to preview how it will look in your group chat. If you're happy with your choice, select it, and the theme will be applied instantly. Everyone in the group will see the new look, and you can always come back and change it again if you want to try something different. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you can give your Messenger group a fresh, new appearance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can update their group chats too. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your newly themed Messenger group.